Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets file on Google Sheets mobile phone. So here I have my Google Sheets application opened on my phone, and if we want to share Google Sheets, the first thing we can do is selecting the file that we want to share. And for example, I'm going to share this file, so just tap on this three dots button on the file, then we can select manage access right here. And if you want to share your Google Sheets file, you can click on this button, then just type the account that you want to share your Google Sheets file to. And for example, I'm going to share my Google Sheets file to this account. Okay, and you can add the account as much as you want, and you can choose the category right here. You can choose either you want to make that account become editor, commenter, or viewer. And if you want to collaborate, make sure that you choose editor, so the account that you share this Google Sheets file, it can edit this file. Okay, and you can select either you want to notify that people or not. If you want to notify, make sure that you click on this checkbox. Okay, and you can also add message for that people. And after you're done, you just need to click on the send button to share the file. Okay, and right after you share the file, you will be able to collaborate with that people in this Google Sheets file. Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can share Google Sheets file. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.